Hello viewers, I'm GEOCAN and I welcome you to Solve Math on the GEOCAN educational channel. Yes, today we have a question from one of our fans. Yes, one of our fans. Yes, that is a fan of GEOCAN educational channel, a fan of Solve Math, a fan of Kids Zone. Yes, and this fan is by name Bamba, and Bamba is from Senegal. Bamba from Senegal. Yes, Bamba wants us to help him tackle this particular question, which is based on linear equation, which is currently the topic we are treating. Good. So pay critical attention here as viewers, okay? Yes, because you're also going to benefit from this, not only Bamba, okay? Good. So instructions are important. What's the instruction? Solve the following equation. And what's the equation? We have 1 over 2m plus 4 is equal to 12. 1 over 2m plus 4 is equal to 12. Good. So let's have our solution. So you have our solution. As I always say, solution simply means how you solve it so that your work will be neat and presentable. Okay, so let's write the question again. 1 over 2m plus 4 is equal to 12. Anytime you write your solution, write the question again before you tackle it. Good. So what do? We have what? Positive 4 closer to what? M. So what do? We have to subtract 4 from both sides of the equation. So 1 over 2m plus 4 minus 4 is equal to 12 minus what? 4. Good. So 1 over 2m, 4 minus 4 will give us what? 0. So just ignore it. And we have our equal to 12 minus 4 will give us what? 8, right? Good. Now we are back to this particular one. Remember, you have 1 over 2m is equal to 8. Remember, I told you if you have an equation of such nature, the m is always the what? The numerator, unless it is written closer to the denominator. But when it is here, it's always the numerator. So this 1 over 2m is also written as m over what? 2. Do it that way in order to be easy for you in solving the question. It's equal to 8. Now, 8 is the same as 8 over 1, right? Good. And I believe you know the reason why we are doing that. This is because we'll be doing a cross multiplication. That is why we are doing that. So now let's do our cross multiplication. M times what? Times 1 will give us what? M is equal to now 2 times 8. 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 3, 6, 2, 4, wait, 2, 5, 10, 2, 6, 4, 2, 7, 14, 2, 8 is what? 16. Good. So now we have M to be what? 16. In order to check our answer, let's go to the question and fix it 16 anywhere we find M. And if the right hand side is equal to the left hand side, then we are good to go. So let's write the question again. 1 over 2M plus 4 is equal to what? 12. So 1 over 2, we have plus 16. What? Times 16. I hope you can see that. Plus your 4 is equal to what? 12. Now, 2 will go into 16, right? 2 times 4 to give us 16. 2, 1, 2, 2, 4. 2, 4, 8, 2, 5, 10, 2, 6, 12. 2, 7, 14. 2, 8, 16. So 2 will go into 16 8 times. 2 will go into 2 once. That's 2, 1, 2. So what do we have? 1 over 1. So 1 over 1 into brackets. What do we have here? 8 is no longer 16. Plus your 4 is equal to 12. I hope you are getting it. Let's take our time in doing that so that you can comprehend it. Math should not be solved in a haste. Please, and pay critical attention. Good. Now, 1 over 1, I told you is the same as what? It's the same as 1. Your bracket, 8. You know bracket means multiplication. Your plus your 4 is equal to 12. Now, 1 times 8 will give us what? 8. Now, 1 times 9 is 9. 1 times 10, 10. 1 times 12, 12. Good. So your plus, your 4 will be equal to 12. Good. So now, 8 plus 4, what do you get? It's what? 12, which is equal to what? 12. I hope you can get that. 12 is equal to 12. Easy as A, B, C, D. What it means is that our answer is correct. The value of M is 16, right? Good. Bamba from Senegal. I hope you got it and you are happy about this. Yes, GEOCAN is in for you. Viewers, let your questions through pin in on our various social media platforms. We are GEOCAN TV on YouTube or GEOCAN Educational Channel on YouTube. Also on Facebook or also Solve Math or Kids Zone on Facebook or GEOCAN on Facebook. My name is GEOCAN. My name is GEOCAN. My name is GEOCAN and I have laugh for math. Till we meet again, it's adios.